welcome back to Lady Tradie. Today we are going to mount a soundbar underneath a TV that is wall mounted. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. This is the equipment that I have ready. So I've got a drill, pencil, the screws and wall mounts that come with the speaker, measuring tape and my drill bits and level.
Pre-drill the holes according to the instructions and then gently hammer the wall mate into the wall.
Okay, so that was perfect. So 6 mil is just right. Oops. Okay, so now I will do my second one. Okay, I'll bring this closer and you can see.
Now your wall mate is ready to go. Screw into this.
When you are about to hang your bar, if it is not going on easily, the screws might be too far into the wall. So I'm just reversing my screws out a little. It makes it easier to hang. They're not going anywhere because they're really well screwed into the wall mate. Anyway. Okay. There you go. Wall mount.